Good morning, teacher. My name is Sandra Lorena Gutierrez Cuesta. I study environmental engineering and live in the municipality of Macanal, Boyacá. In this video, I will tell about the last book I read. I like to read. The last book I read is the Diary of Anna Frank, and tells the true story of a hearse who had to live hiding with her family in a small house that was behind the company where his father worked. This book is about the Second World War when Adolf Hitler died not one the who's alive, according to which they were not poor race. Anna writes this and numerous papers telling how is the life of all those who lie hidden with her is total there are 8 people. Her father, mother, sister, and 4 more people were decided to take refuge from the Nazis. Thanks, bye.